Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to appeal and reinstate a disabled business manager account. As you can see, it says that this business account may be restricted from selling 30 days after October 9th, 2023 for the following reason. This business account doesn't comply with our terms, including section 1 of our e-commerce eligibility requirements. Then when you go down here, they indicate the restrictions and all that. Is that this business is not allowed to advertise. This is because the business didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies affecting business assets, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. So that is the reason they have given. So if we want to know the details, they give a specific reason here. There is a commerce restriction and there is a general advertising restriction. Now, if you click on the blue link here, it will take you to the commerce eligibility requirements. I've taken time to go through all the commerce eligibility requirements, and I realized the business manager didn't violate any of their policies there. Then I've also gone through the general advertising policies, and I've also realized that it does not violate any of their advertising policies. So they are just giving vague descriptions. Sometimes it is annoying, but well, let's go. So what you need to do is to appeal, and in appealing, you will need to make sure that you get an ID card that has the information on your ID being the same as the information on your Facebook account. And if they are not the same, you have to make changes. So the ID card you can use are your national ID, your passport, your driving license. On your the last one you can use is your voter ID. Okay. So you have to come here, click on your top right hand corner, go to your settings and privacy. From there, you go to settings. From settings, you go to your personal details. From your personal details, you check your name, check the name, and the name and the date of birth. So profiles, you click on your profile, and then you check the first, last name, and middle name. After that, you also check your personal details, your contact info. Okay, so after all that is done, you also go back. You can also go back. Check your gender. So you click on your profile picture at the top left. You scroll down to about section. You check under contact and basic info, and then check whether the gender is the same as what is on your ID card. Now, when you check and you are sure everything is okay, you come back and click on request review. Okay, you click on request review, and then before that, definitely when you click on request review, most of the time there are two ways. Either they will just ask you straight away to request the review by writing an appeal, or they will ask you to confirm identity before you can request the review. Any of them, just follow the process. So when you click on get started, they may, let's go. They are saying that request review of your restrictions, review of your restricted business account. If your business account was restricted from advertising because it didn't comply with our advertising policy, so understand that you can request a review if you believe it shouldn't be restricted. Why are you requesting the review? Don't choose I am not sure which policy was violated. Don't choose I think there was an unauthorized use of my account. Choose another reason. And if you choose another reason, I've just written something that I'm going to put there. Okay, so this is what I have chosen. So, okay, so this is what I wrote. I said, dear Facebook, my business manager has been restricted and this has affected my business greatly. I am told this business account doesn't comply with our terms, including section 1 of our commerce eligibility requirements. I've studied all the policies in detail, including section 1 of your commerce eligibility requirements as stipulated at, and I indicated a link that leads to that particular site. That was the one where the advertising policies are there and the commerce eligibility requirements. Then I said, I must sure I didn't violate any of your advertising policy. Okay, so I've indicated that I've run several ad campaigns and none has ever been rejected, and I am extra sure I didn't violate any of your Facebook policies or community guidelines. Please forgive me if I mistakenly violated any without knowing. Please help me get my business manager reinstated. So after that, you send it, then click on close. For some of you, they may ask you to confirm the identity by submitting your ID card before you can request the review. So whichever be the case, you submit the ID and they will confirm your identity before you request the review. In fact, the reason why this account, they didn't ask us for the identity confirmation is that we had previously done the identity confirmation not up to 2 weeks. And within, if you do identity confirmation within a month, they will, if you still have a problem, they will just ask you to proceed to request the review without doing the identity confirmation again, because they still have the information about the identity confirmation. So as you can see, it says that will notify you within 48 hours. So that is when the account is reinstated, they will notify us. So we just have to be patient and then wait within 48 hours. Now, if you follow this procedure and you don't get a solution, please leave your comment in the comment section. Okay, you can also WhatsApp us by following the link in the description to WhatsApp us. We are always available. We do Zoom calls that can help you. You can book a Zoom call with us and we will be able to help you on Zoom to resolve whichever problems that you have. We can also run effective ad campaigns for you. A lot of people run advert, but they really waste money and don't get good results. And we specialize in digital marketing. We'll be able to run effective ad campaigns that will give you value for your money. Thank you once again. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like this video. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.